Mr. Persing, we will check you in at the end. Can you hear me?
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Appellate Division First Department admission ceremony for this afternoon, April 3. Ms. Guerrero, you may continue. You may proceed.
Thank you, May. Please the court and good afternoon. I'm Veronica Guerrero, counsel to this court's Committee on Character and Fitness. I'm honored to present 39 applicants to the court for admission to the bar. Each of these applicants has met all of the requirements necessary for admission to the New York State Bar. Further, I am pleased to report that the committee has examined the records of each and every candidate here today. Accordingly, and on behalf of the committee, I certify that each applicant here this afternoon does possess the requisite character and fitness to merit admission to the bar of the state of New York. Therefore, I do hereby move for their admission.
Thank you, Ms. Guerrero. In anticipation of this motion, of this application, the panel met previously. We reviewed the papers submitted and the application is granted. Again, Ms. Guerrero, I want to thank you personally, as well as your committee, as well as the attorneys who work pro bono without compensation for their Herculean efforts in the assessment of these applicants. Thank you. Ms. Rojas?
Good afternoon, Justice Weber. Good afternoon, candidates. I will administer the oath of office in the form of a question. At the end, I will ask you to unmute your microphones and respond by saying, I do, if you agree with the oath. At this point, I will ask everyone to please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of New York, and to faithfully discharge the duties of the office of attorney and counselor at law to the best of your ability? Please unmute your mics and respond by saying, I do.
I do.
I do.
Congratulations, attorneys. You may lower your right hand and please mute your microphones. Thank you.
Congratulations, attorneys. Sounds really nice, right? Congratulations. So during admission ceremonies such as this, it is the custom of the bench that one of the members of the bench give remarks to the newly admitted attorneys. Today that falls to my esteemed colleague, Justice Gesmer.
Thank you, Justice Weber. On behalf of the court, please accept my warmest congratulations to all of you new attorneys, both to you and also to your loved ones, the family and friends who have supported you through this arduous process. You are being admitted to the bar in what is still a very strange time in the history of our country and our profession, and indeed the world. I'm very sorry that one very visible effect of the not quite over pandemic is that we are not able to hold this ceremony in our majestic courtroom. Perhaps you can get some idea of its beauty from the photograph which we are each using as a virtual backdrop. I hope that you and those close to you will come by our building sometime to see this historic building and to watch us during argument. As I thought about welcoming you to the bar at this time, it struck me that crises like these often make clear both what is required to be an outstanding lawyer and also what makes our profession great. Of course, all lawyers, all the time, have to know the law. All lawyers, all the time, have to think logically, read critically, write clearly, speak persuasively, and listen with empathy. But today, more than ever, we realize that the best lawyers have to be both willing and able to learn new areas of law and to master new skills. The last few years have shown us that the best lawyers are flexible and nimble. Today, the successful lawyer is the one who can argue virtually one day and conduct a trial in person the next day. And lawyers are now thinking creatively about how to use these new skills and technologies to improve the legal system, to make it more fair, and to provide legal services more efficiently to those least able to afford it. In addition to requiring new skills, the vast social effects of the pandemic demonstrate more clearly than ever that our profession has a duty to assist those who have the least access to legal resources. Lawyers have risen to the challenge. Bar associations launched massive programs to assist individuals who were in crisis as a result of the pandemic and its effects on the economy. Lawyers have been at the forefront of addressing questions of institutional racism. Bar associations have created innovative programs to help refugees and provide other forms of assistance to the newest members of our country. These initiatives demonstrate the many opportunities for using your new legal skills for the public good. And that will enhance you both personally and professionally, because a truly great lawyer acts with moral purpose and a commitment to justice. You have entered a powerful and noble profession. I hope that you find a way to practice it that provides you with intellectual challenge and joy while advancing the creation of a just and equal society. With that, congratulations again and best wishes as you begin this boundless journey.
Thank you very much, Justice Gesmer. And again, congratulations to all of you and congratulations to your families as well. Take care.
Thank you to the bench and to Ms. Rojas. The new attorneys will stay on with me.